Let's look at how, with the right detection, SPM can show you intersections where you have a lot of vehicles entering the intersection during the red clearance interval. These are all the active alerts for this city, and I'll focus in on these red clearance alerts. At this intersection, I can see there's active alerts at phases 2 and phases 6, where there's a high proportion of vehicles entering the intersection during the red clearance interval. And I can click on this visualization to see this in more detail. The alerts were for phases 2 and 6, so we'll focus on this chart down here, which is drawing phases 2 and 6. What this chart is showing is over the day, all of the activity of vehicles entering the intersection during the yellow clearance interval, down here, during the all red clearance interval, here, and after the opposing phase has already turned green. And so you can see a fair amount of activity, particularly during the peak hours between 7 and 8 a.m. and 5 to 6 p.m., where vehicles are entering the intersection after the opposing phase has turned green, including one cycle here where 4 vehicles are doing it. And so this visualization will give you a sense for the magnitude of the problem, and then strategies that you might consider are, for example, extending the red clearance interval in general, or just extending it using detection when you detect a vehicle that's about to enter the intersection on red.